Welcome to EEZBOOK, where you're greeted with a seamless experience. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide. If you already have a login ID, simply navigate to the Go to EEZBOOK tab to proceed further. To select Control Panel. To select Setup. To select Module-wise Setup. To select Payroll. Select Payroll Year. The payroll year refers to the specific time period over which an organization calculates and manages its payroll activities. It typically coincides with the organization's fiscal or financial year, which can vary depending on the company's accounting practices and regulatory requirements. Start and end dates. The payroll year begins on a designated start date and ends on a specific end date. These dates are determined by the organization. If a user wishes to add a new payroll year, they can simply tab on the New Payroll Year button. The payroll year usually begins at a specific point, commonly aligned with the start of a fiscal or calendar year. To click Create Payroll Year. The payroll year will be created, and if the user wishes to add another payroll year in the future, they can navigate to the Add New option, select Payroll Year, and proceed to create the new payroll year. Payroll refers to the process of managing and administering the financial aspects related to the compensation of employees within an organization. This includes calculating wages or salaries, deducting taxes and other withholdings, and disbursing payments to employees. The financial year difference in payroll typically refers to how payroll activities are aligned with the organization's fiscal year.